What's going on, guys? My name is Daniel and welcome back to Goodwill Trips, the series where I just go to Goodwill and show you guys what neat stuff I find there. Hope you enjoy. So I've gone to Goodwill several times since the last episode, but I thought the most recent trip definitely warranted a video. The only other notable thing I bought was another monitor, a Dell P1913, which I honestly only picked up because I don't have any monitors with this fancy type of stand. Seriously, can your monitor do this? Moving on. This most recent time I went to Goodwill, I went to get some clothes, but of course I still went over to check for anything interesting in the electronics section. At first I didn't see anything, but out in the middle of the shelf, I found an intact Cooler Master Hyper 212 Plus CPU cooler. Sure, it was missing a few parts like, well, a fan, but I think I have that covered, and for the $5 I paid, still a very good deal. I was needing one because my i5 750 system has been running pretty hot with just a stock cooler, and this will definitely work way better. When I got to the checkout, I looked into the glass display cabinet and saw a keyboard that looked pretty awesome for $35. It turned out to be a HyperX Alloy FPS Pro mechanical gaming keyboard with Cherry MX Blue key switches. And I'm like, you know what? You only live once, so you should buy stuff. And I did. Here's a quick unboxing. Needless to say, this keyboard is pretty awesome. Has some really nice switches, red LED backlighting with 6 cool effects, game mode, and being a 10 keyless keyboard with a detachable cable, it is quite portable as well. And who doesn't love the classic feel and sound of Cherry MX Blue key switches? Good. I think this is definitely one of my favorite things I've gotten at Goodwill. Back to the cooler, I took apart my computer, and after getting the motherboard out, it looked like the new cooler might not have enough clearance for the case, but thankfully it did. I applied a bit more thermal paste, then followed the instructions to attach the cooler. And I figured while I'm at it, why don't I throw in a 2x4GB kit of DDR3 to bring it up to a total of 12GB of RAM. Also, my power supply fan had not been working lately, and since I was considering just buying a whole new power supply, I figured it wouldn't hurt to have a look inside to check if there was anything I could do. It turned out it was just a bad fan. After replacing the bad fan with a new one, everything worked perfectly. I put the system back together, and sure enough, my temperatures were back to a very respectable level. Anyways, I thought this Goodwill trip was definitely worth it. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed. Leave a like and comment below to let me know if you like these videos and want to see more in the future. Hit subscribe, and I hope to see y'all in the next video.